Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to drill down using set actions in Tableau. So what is set action is, if I click on any category from this, we can see only subcategories of that particular category. Okay, so it means category drill down at a particular level. So to achieve this we need to create a set for a respective category. So I will delete everything, will remove everything from this view, and I will delete this category set which I have created before. Okay, and I will also delete the action which is performed in this sheet. Actions. So I am going to remove this action. So now I will remove these calculated field subcategories. Okay, so I'm doing from scratch. Now I will add category in rows and sales in column shelf. Okay, so now I need to create a set with respect to category. So click on this drop down and select create set. Okay, so I will name this set as category set, and I haven't selected anything from here, and I will click OK. So I will keep this category set in row shelf. So you will see this out for every category, which means that none of them is selected. So I will create a calculated field for subcategories to display the subcategories of a selected category. So create calculated field, and I will name this calculated field as subcategories, and I'm going to write the calculation as if category set. So if I select the category set, then show subcategories. Okay, else show nothing and end. Okay, so I will keep this calculated field subcategories in row shelf. So it is showing nothing in this calculated field subcategories because I haven't add any action yet. So to add the action, go to worksheet and click on actions, and then click on add action, then click on this change set values. Okay, so I will rename this action as and from source sheet I will select the sheet name drill down using set action. Then from this target set I will select this category set. Okay, so run action on select, and then clearing the selection will remove all values from set. Okay, so if I uncheck this unselect this category, then it will remove all values from the set. Okay, so let me click OK, and if I select the category furniture, now it is showing the subcategories of that particular category only. So if I unselect this, it will go back to normal view. So if I select any category, it is showing in. So that means the category is selected, and here it is showing out. So the category which is not selected. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.